السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Let us talk about the etiquettes of the Taraweeh prayers. Taraweeh is a supplementary prayers. It is not obligatory. And it has to be recited. It has to be offered slowly and with comfort. There's no hurry in that. How many rakahs one should offer? Well, we have different traditions. Some offer 20 rakahs and some offer 8. Most of the time in the haram, in both the Masjid Nabawi and the Khana Kaaba, or the house of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Baytullah, the 20 rakahs of Taraweeh are offered. And it's not a controversial issue. Those who want to offer 20 prayers, no one should tell them that this is not right. And if anyone offers 8 rakah prayers, no one should say that they are deviating from the path. It's all up to the people. Usually the tradition is that during the 20 rakahs or the 8 rakahs, the imam would recite the entire juz or certain parts of the Quran to make sure that by the time the month of fasting ends, they have recited the entire Quran during offerings of Taraweeh. But many people do not follow that. They think that Imam can recite the entire Quran during the 5 daily prayers according to his own convenience, and during the Taraweeh prayers, he can recite certain portions of the Quran. In places where people do not have a hafiz or do not have someone who has memorized the entire Quran, they can recite as many surahs as they remember during the 8 or 20 rakahs of a prayer. It has to be done with comfort. One of the things that you would notice that sometimes people try to hurry up and read as fast as they can. One of the purposes is to let people listen to the Quran, the entire Quran. Now, if it is not possible to recite the entire Quran during the Taraweehs, then some people have made the arrangement that before the Isha prayers, they would recite the entire juz that is going to be recited during the Taraweeh prayers, and then people would know what is being recited. The other tradition that people have also adopted in places where people who do not know Arabic are in large numbers, that they give a summary of what is being recited on that particular night also. One of the recommendations of many of the people is that when people come to the masajid to offer the Taraweeh prayers, they should recite that juz at home so that they become familiar with what is being recited during the Taraweeh prayers. After every 4 rakahs, there is a tradition to stay quiet and to sit and to take some pause so that you can recuperate from the long standing during the Taraweeh prayers. And then also the tradition among almost all its schools of thought, with the exception of the Jafris, because they have different attitude towards the Taraweeh prayers. The tradition is that people would offer Fitr prayers after they have completed the 20 rakahs or the 8 rakahs of the Taraweeh, even though some people prefer that they would leave it to the individuals to offer the Fitr prayers, maybe later at night after offering more supplementary prayers. The purpose of the Taraweeh is to basically reacquaint ourselves and rededicate ourselves to the Quran, and it also helps us, uh, you know, overcome our own pronunciation issues related to the Quranic recitation. أقول قولي هذا وأستغفر الله لي ولكم.